Good job. Good job, buddy. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Oh! Oh, let's get it back up here. Come on. Go this way. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, you're gonna look towards Mom. Okay, come on. Look at you go. Good job. Oh, now what? Are you stuck again? Oh. Come over here and say hi. Come here. Come to Mom. Whoops. Come on. What's that? What'd you find? Bring it over here. Come on. Come see Mom. Punky. Oh. Say hello. Mwah. Say bye-bye.